And you know what they say, it takes a village. A community-wide effort is needed to make sure kids are healthy, equipped, and ready for the new school year. And while some students are already back in class, others are gearing up to return in the coming weeks. And there is still plenty left to prepare and to pay for. Our Lexus Green joins us now in studio with some of the resources that you can still take advantage of. Lexus?
That's right, Leslie. According to the National Retail Federation, parents are expected to spend about $875 on back-to-school shopping. So that's things like clothing, shoes, school supplies, electronics. But as you know, that doesn't cover it all. That's why both the city and the county are stepping up where they can to fill those gaps and help you to cross off a clean bill of health off that school supply list.
It's become a back-to-school tradition in Nueces County. Free student physicals offered year after year, and Commissioner Brent Chesney says it's a privilege to keep it going.
You know, such a cool deal to be able to do this really for 9 or 10 years that I've been in office.
Thousands of students across the county have benefited, and the numbers keep climbing.
We had 300 out at London back in June because, you know, they start school earlier, which is in my precinct. We had 500 back in Veterans at May, so many that we're having to do another one at Veterans Memorial.
And the county isn't done just yet. More clinics are on the calendar.
You know, make it expeditious for them to get to school and make sure that their kids are healthy. That's a big deal.
For many families, it's one less thing to worry about. And leaders say it's more than just a sports clearance. It's a check-in on overall health.
I actually recommend that everybody gets a physical, and if your child is not in sports, because you want to make sure that there are certain things that they check when they're doing a physical.
Dr. Dante Gonzalez with the city's health department agrees and says vaccinations are also a big focus this time of year, especially for families without insurance.
If you don't have insurance or you have Medicaid, we do have programs here at the health department which we offer no-cost vaccines. So you can come to the health department. You don't have to wait till August, beat the rush.
He also recommends parents take advantage of Amtrak, a free service that keeps students' medical records stored and accessible when the time comes.
And, for people that are going back to school and they can't remember whether or not the previous year they took the vaccines and, records got lost or they got misplaced, there is a possibility coming to the health department, signing up for this program so that you don't have to deal with that.
Dr. Dante Gonzalez says that the health department has 3 different locations offering immunizations. You can visit their main clinic on Horn. They have a satellite location in Robstown, or catch one of their mobile clinics, which regularly visits rural areas across the coastal bend. He also says to keep an eye out for a big back-to-school event. It's in the works right now, likely happening about 2 weeks before school starts. But in the meantime, visit our website. We posted a full list of other back-to-school and health fairs happening soon, not to mention Operation Safe Return. Leslie?